Car trim removal tools are designed to remove interior or exterior trim, mold, snap fasteners, clips, dashboards, and many other parts of a car. These are tasks that are mostly found on an everyday basis, so this is what makes owning a professional-grade trim removal tool is so important for any professional mechanic. It is essential to have the right tool to make car trim removal work easy. However, with so many types available on the market, it may be a headache trying to decide which one to pick. We want to make your life easier by showing you the best auto trim removal set.
It is a really cool kit that has a lot of stuff that you're going to need if you work on your own cars and like to get your hands dirty. It's listed as a trim removal kit, but it is so much more. It comes with a really cool case, and inside you get a ton of tools. It even comes with this nice little brochure that breaks down what everything is. So I'll just start out with the top. It comes with some standard trim removal tools, but way more than you typically get in a trim removal kit. And it even comes with its own terminal in your car. It also has these pieces here and over here for a stereo removal tool set. These would have come in super handy when I took the stock radio out of my Porsche Boxster 986. And it comes with these box of retaining clips. How many times have you tried to remove one of these from your car and they have broken? And here are a bunch of spares with a bunch of different types for all kinds of cars. In fact, you can actually see that I am missing one right here. So just pulled one of these out of the kit and drop it in, push the pin in, and I have a replacement. The main reason I was excited to get this kit. So this tool will help you separate things by being able to squeeze this, and it will lift the pin right out. I'll try to show you here. But with this tool, I can slide this right under the pin, squeeze the handle, and it pops right out. So that's how easy it is to get the pins out with this tool. But wait, that's not all. There's also a precision pick and hook set. So as you can see from right here, you have a few different shapes and this hook pick with the little curve. In this bag, you have this little double-sided tape piece that will snap down and secure.
So I want to show you this amazing tool bag that I found out of Amazon. I work a lot in my car. I have a sport car, so you know we always doing stuff on your car, and I needed something to remove the plastic interior of my cars without damaging it. So I always ask a friend to lend me one of the tools, but you know I want to have something on my own, and I want something complete also, something that I can have for any other occasion. So I come up with this bag on Amazon, and I was really impressed on how many tools these bags. As you can see, we have all these tools here. The materials are amazing. I actually use it today. As you can see here, the trims are really good. Some of these plastic ones that you buy out, you know, I've been testing before. Once you start using it, this piece will go ahead and break. Not this one. I use it today, and you can feel the material that is really good, as you can see there. So this thing, once it start, you know, getting dumb or just falling off, it's not good. So this will be a really good option for you. And then guys, it comes with everything that you need. So if you're a mechanic, if you work on interior of the car, or you're a car enthusiast like me, this would be the best set that you can buy. I'm telling you guys, these are amazing. They're made of stainless steel. The explanation on how to use them is great. You have all these tools that you can use. So I'm really impressed with this bag. And also it's really easy to storage. Everything is well detailed, and then you can just close it out and put it in your garage, or you can just keep it in your car. So you know, you have our bag here is also well made. Guys,
look at that. That's thoughtful. So quite often when you're buying a trim removal set like this, you should buy one of these as well, because breaking clips is just kind of something that happens whenever you're taking trim off. Now, something that I like about this set, I've seen a lot of sets like this that have just a ton of different prying tools, and I always only use like 1 or 2. So having just the best ones in the set, that's definitely the way to go. This one is crazy. So this, like, that feels solid. Look at the pictures. I thought this thing was going to be hollow, like it was going to be just kind of like a, you know, a ribbed thing. But this is a solid pry bar. Put one back in there. And let's take a look at this one. So standard pry bar, but this one is hollow, but it does have that structure in there to make it rigid. But you can still feel, like just by holding it, this thing, that is a heavy duty piece of plastic right there. So this also super strong, and it also has this really nice wedge. So yeah, those are really cool. Those are like unique designs. I've never seen those before. I've used a lot of different sets. So this is a full-on wedge. So these are awesome. So these are great, like if you just need to, I mean, even not even for autos, if you need to take a mirror off of a bathroom wall, you can use this to get behind it and just give it a few taps so that you're not putting too much strain on that mirror. Yeah, and yeah, again, like really just solid plastic. This is some heavy duty stuff. And then we got our old faithful, just a simple little plastic pry bar. Out of any other set that I've used, this is definitely the most common style of set. Like they really got everything. And then we got 2 little more like toothpick guys in here for getting to that fine detail work. Man, that is really nice. Okay, so then onto this guy. So this is for popping out clips. So one thing that's really nice about this one is this rubber piece right here. So normally when you're trying to pop out a clip, so you would have the clip, something like that, and you would put some force in the bottom, but this metal piece right here could potentially scratch up the paneling that's underneath it. With this rubber, it's going to help to protect the panel. But when you need to pop out a clip and need something a little stronger, this is the way to go.